There's more to iPhone photography than just tapping the shutter button. Try this out with your phone instead. Slide to the right and use portrait mode. Click on the 6 dots on the top right to open up the menu and select F aperture and bring it down a bit to blur the background. I gave Destiny of Churon Winery some pose ideas, although she did a better job than I did. Flattering poses makes all the difference. Let's edit. If the weather and the color is too cool, go into filters and change it to vivid to bring out the color a bit. Go to adjust and bring up the brilliance, bring down the shadow a bit, increase the warmth, and now you have a professional portrait taken straight from your iPhone. You can take a regular iPhone photo taken anytime and anywhere and instantly turn it into a professional headshot like this. Us photographers are cooked. Here's how to do it. First, download Google Gemini. This Google version of ChatGPT is free. Open up Gemini and tap on the plus icon on the bottom. Go to the photos and import your photo. You can write any prompt to change your photo into any style, and you can use simple language and ask as if you were describing to a photo editor what you want to see. Take it to the next level and tap on the 3-dot button on the bottom and select Redo with Pro to get a more dramatic version of that photo. Now, try typing, change the photo into professional headshot for business. Photo looks great, and you can take it to the next level by tapping on Redo with Pro, and voila, you get a professional headshot from any of your photos in your phone. Share, follow, and like for more.